Connecting Coinbase to Uniswap involves several steps, since Coinbase is a centralized exchange and Uniswap is a decentralized exchange operating on the Ethereum blockchain. Here's how to do it. First, set up a wallet. You need a cryptocurrency wallet that supports Ethereum and ERC20 tokens such as MetaMask. Download and set up the wallet, ensuring you securely back up your seed phrase. Then, buy Ethereum. If you don't already have Ethereum, buy some on Coinbase. Make sure you complete any necessary identity verification. Then, transfer Ethereum to your wallet. After purchasing Ethereum, navigate to the Send option on Coinbase, enter your wallet address, for example MetaMask here, and specify the amount. Connect wallet to Uniswap. Go to Uniswap website, then click on Connect Wallet, and select the type of wallet you have, for example MetaMask here also. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Use Uniswap. Once your wallet is connected, you can swap tokens on Uniswap. Choose the tokens you want to trade, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. Remember to account for gas fees, which are necessary for Ethereum transaction. By following these steps, you can seamlessly trade tokens on Uniswap using funds from your Coinbase account.